Alright guys, I got the day off of work, so it's time to make you a video. Unfortunately, it's about the trailer again. Because, as most of you know, I got it on Marketplace, and no title, no VIN. That's why I've been switching over the mobile home wheels to regular hubs, that way we can run regular tires. Well, now the policeman has to come inspect it.
Call it 13 critical inspection items, basically consist of wheels, tires, brake systems.
And the Secretary of State gave me a list of things that it must have. And one of the things that it must have is electric brakes on every wheel. So today, we're going to see if we can put electric brakes on the idle or axle. And hopefully, hopefully the trailer will fit in the garage, because it is pouring rain out. And we got to weld on the brackets that are going to hold it. So let's see together whether or not that big old trailer is going to fit in this little garage. I guess the first thing we're going to address is the trailer jack, because it's not good. I don't think it's supposed to be bent like that. bet you never seen a perfect circle before. Alright, camera died. I'm not sure how much you guys got to see. Basically, I did a terrible job plasma cutting this out. I didn't realize I unplugged my air compressor to plug in the plasma cutter. I have a Y, but I unplugged the Y, hooked it in. So, lack of air pressure, it just kept puddling out, pain in the butt. Once I realized what it is, we got it cut out. It's not perfect, but it doesn't need to be. You aren't going to see it anyways. The whole idea is this goes under what's already there. It just has to fit over this and the holes line up, which we did. Also, we drilled out the 3 holes and we tapped them to a 3/8 16. And we'll go ahead and bolt it in and hopefully it straightens out and good to go. I just realized we got to drill these holes out bigger. That way it goes into our threaded holes smoothly. That'll work. On to the next. I went on Amazon and I found these. These are the brackets for the electric brake backing plate. These will have to be welded onto each axle. And we'll figure that out as we go, because I have no idea. pieces of brass to shim it where I want it. That way if we tack it, it won't stick.
Yep. Well, she ain't going nowhere though.
Alright, it's time to test the brakes and the breakaway switch. Make sure that's working. Ain't going nowheres. I guess we did it. Brakes are done.